though when dark?
That's probably a dead cell zone.
Lily, are you above us?
It's getting completely rain-wrapped. I can't see a thing.
We just gotta push through this rain curtain.
Oh!
Ah! Max, lock my drone!
Hey, we lost visual.
Can't see anything. That's alright, just keep straight. I can see the road. You can see the road? Man, this feels different. I'm telling you, I think we should stop. Keep going, we'll get ahead of it. Stop, we have to stop! Keep going! Get ahead of it! Oh, shit! It's right there! It's right there! Right down! Get down! Get down! Mommy!
Tyler, we gotta do something!
Hey, on your left eye! It's hit something big!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Wait, we can't just leave
We're not
him!
gonna leave it, but we gotta move! We gotta move!
Back up!
Dex, go! Go!
Get mine out of there!